here from Liquid Concepts. So we're going to be talking a little bit about the prep area and mainly where you're going to be spraying your parts at. So your clear coats, your primers, your paints, candies, anything like that that you're spraying. So as y'all know, dust is your worst enemy, right? So a cleanly space is going to be the best space for you to get the best paint job possible. And so I'm going to kind of talk it over a little bit about the different ways that we use to get a clean area. And maybe we don't even have a clean area, but we have a clean area that we're spraying on. And so I'll kind of show you, this is just a standard table, nothing fancy, and we've got it all taped off. But if you look here, that looks dirty as can be, and there's no telling how much stuff you're going to get if you paint on that table, okay? So one thing that we like to do that's really simple, really quick, really efficient is just put the paper down, all right? And so we'll take and lay this out just like this. Get our tape, wrap it around. There you go. Now you've got a clean surface, you've got a dry surface, and even though there's dirt underneath that, doesn't matter because we've got our brand new paper just like this right here. We'll lay it out, cut it, tape it on down. Now we've got a brand new surface area, no dust, no lint, or anything like that, all right? So for those of you without a paint booth, things like that, it's perfectly fine because this right here will dramatically decrease your times that you need to buff parts, all of the dust and everything that gets in your parts, and things like that. Another thing that you can do is you can use plastic sheeting, all right? So this is just a big roll of pretty much similar to like saran wrap, okay? This is actually made to paint for like full cars and trucks and things like that. And so this 4-foot, 3-foot sheet right here actually opens up to like 16 foot long, which is great because if you've got two tables like this, you roll out 4 foot, cut it, and then open it up to the 16 foot, and then you can cover both of those tables with the plastic. And again, you get the same benefits from the paper to where this stuff, whenever stuff lands on it, it sticks to it, and that's it. It doesn't come off of it. Same thing with like the paper. So if you get overspray on there, it's really easy. The next time that you go and let's say you clear coated everything's already done, and you come in here the next job, and let's say you're ready to start primering. All you got to do, take this, pick it up, throw it away, pull out some more plastic, and then cut it to size, lay it out, you're ready to go. There's no need to sit here with the vacuum and try to vacuum up all the dust and things like that because now, even though you've got a dirty table, you now have a clean surface that you can start painting your parts on. So it makes it really easy, really efficient, and it's a real time saver, especially for us here at Liquid Concepts whenever we're doing hundreds of parts all the time in and out of the booth, and especially whenever we're going through and we're going with primer and paint and clear and then more paint and then more primer all in the same day. It definitely would take a lot longer if we just have to sit here and wipe down all the tables and things like that, except for now we don't have to worry about that. All we got to do is lay out our paper, lay out our plastic, put it on the table, tape it up, and we're ready to go. So hopefully this gives you a pretty good idea on some new ideas and things that you can do at your own shop to help you out in getting less dust and a better quality finish whenever you go to spray. So until next time, we'll see you guys later.